Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Shadz Lifestyle, and this is the channel where truth meets purpose. Now today we will be talking about tax filing. Now if you notice, I've been doing a lot of work and travel videos, so if you haven't seen them, do go ahead. I have a work and travel playlist. Yeah, go and watch that playlist like right now. But anyways, it is the January season, and that means the tax season. So like, comment, share, subscribe, share this video. Yeah, cause you know say me say work and travel and money have to make. Yeah. And I haven't been posting because you know that I've changed my city. So I moved to Montego Bay, bought my car, living my best life here, and I kind of neglected YouTube, but guess what? Girl, back. Big, nice, bad, whatever. So your girl is a whole $1 million mindset coach. So if you need all of that, you can link me up. Check my description. You'll see my links to my Instagram, to my TikTok. Girl get 1 million views from TikTok. Yeah, girl be doing her stuff. So do check my Instagram if you want on a daily basis. You can follow me on Instagram so that you can get a daily view of my lifestyle. Follow me on TikTok as well. And definitely add yourself to the WhatsApp group by clicking the link below in the description box. Right, so it is tax season, and what that means is that you can file your tax from January 24th to about April 15. That is what I found on Google. That is basically the typical calendar year for the USA tax return. All right, so what is tax return? Now, if you have gone on the work and travel program in last year's summer, you are eligible to file for your taxes. Now if you are paying tax, which you should be paying taxes or should have been paying taxes. So you have state tax and federal tax. I did mention to you that those are the taxes you should pay. Don't pay no medical taxes or anything like that, because we are work and travel students and we only pay state tax, social security, and federal tax. Now you can file for your federal tax and your state tax now. So this is the tax filing season, right? So because it's going to open, I said that I should do a video because a lot of persons have been asking for it. Click the description box. You'll see the WhatsApp group, the work and travel WhatsApp group that I myself have, and I have 2 WhatsApp groups, so you can join it if you need any information. We have up to probably almost 1,000, so about 600 persons combined on the WhatsApp group, and these are students that are going on the program, have been on the program, want to go on the program, so you can ask a lot of questions in the WhatsApp group. So click the check the description box. I will be putting the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Right? So because you have been paying taxes in the US, now it's time to get those taxes back. And I love this about the US, because me make enough money for work and travel, and then in a January, February, thereabouts, me I go get back money. So you can know how much money you will be getting back. I should have, and I'm going to look for one of the tax filing papers that I have and show you like what is required. Now, once you have been paying tax, they will ask you for a W-2 form, right? And the W-2 form will tell you the amount of tax returns you will have. So if you have 5 jobs and you've been paying tax for those 5 jobs, then you are going to file taxes for those 5 jobs. Once you have the W-2 forms, and your W-2 forms are from your employers, so your employers will send you your W-2 forms, and then that is when you will file your taxes, right? So check your emails, call your employers, and get those W-2 forms. This is a W-2 form. This is mine, guys. So this was the one for Walmart. So you're gonna get, if a 3 job you do, you get 3 W-2 forms. This is what it looks like. It looks like a pay slip. The W-2 form has all the information needed in terms of your tax withheld, and the federal tax for me this year for one job was $938. 29 cents, and the social security was $500. So yes, this year I think I got $3,000 worth of tax return. But as I said, my first year I think it was 600, but it depends on how many hours, how many taxes we're withdrawing. So yes, this has your employer number, basically an overview of your profile in terms of the tax return. So yes, that is the W-2 form. I was actually paying medical tax on here, but it should have been refunded. So guys, make sure say you're not paying no medical tax on this. See me there pay $137. So once you send this and all the different informations to the person who is filing your taxes, such as your date of birth and basic information, where you were working, the jobs that you the position that you held at those jobs, make sure that you send a bank account and your bank account information, address with the panit, your billing address, so forth, and also make sure you have a fail-safe address, which is an address overseas that they can send the mail to if in case the tax return didn't go to your bank account. And this is very important. Me need to tell you a story. People will rob people, at the tax return. So me make sure say when I have a fail-safe address, so that, and it's best to do like a close family member. Me don't know if you don't want to do it to a shipping company or a courier service, they're gonna send you the check. But I don't know, find somebody. I use a fail-safe account for one of my family member, and I look at things do it because one mail sent to them and my tax did get hold up, and me they have to get one the paper with them sent to the address and make sure say everything correlate, call the people them and this and that. So make sure you have one fail safe account so that they can fail safe address over the US so that they can send mails to you if in case something is wrong or if in case your check is sent to that address instead of your bank account. Okay? I know someone was mentioning about Walmart, W-2 forms and stuff like that. I'm not sure about it. But yeah, file your taxes. Now, a lot of persons have been asking me, Shaday, you file your taxes yourself? Who you make do all of the tax filing and what are the procedures, blah, 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 All right, so you can file your taxes yourself. I'm not sure about the process in terms of that. However, I would say just pay somebody and file your taxes because you can mess up. I know someone that did it themselves. It's a mail. So you know that mail normally like file your taxes on their own. Boom, bang. In filing tax, I'll know the tax can reach because he never filed it good. He didn't fill it out properly. So I would say no. From my experiences and other person's experiences, I would say just file the taxes. Let someone file the taxes for you. Now I have someone that I've been using, and I will put their information in the description box. I already put it in the group, but I know that persons on here are not in the group, so you'll see the person's name, information. They are doing it for $40 this year. Typically it's around that price. Me see people with $50, $60, $75 them a charge, wicked. But yeah, the person is charging $40 to file your taxes, and you should have your W-2 forms and stuff like that. I will be posting the picture so you can get the information. So go ahead and screenshot this for further use. So yeah, make sure you tell them say me saying you because you see the video here. But that's it for tax filing. You should file your state tax and your federal tax, and you can calculate how many taxes you have been filing. It is on your pay slip, right? So once you have your pay slip, which is most likely the last one, will tell you the exact amount that you have been paying. So it will tell you the amount you've been paying, and you can calculate how many taxes you have right now. Because someone was asking me if it's a lot of taxes that you'll be filing for and stuff like that. But to be honest, it all depends on you. How much were you paying, right? So you can check your pay slips and see the exact amount that you will be filing for. Please note that different states require different things. So some states don't really pay you, some states pay you. So I know that federal tax, you definitely get it back, but some states don't pay you. Please, I'm not sure about that. When I was filing my taxes, I got, in my first year, I think I got probably $400 to $600. But I know that in my last year I got up to $1,300 tax return. So yeah, guys, and also when you're filing your taxes, you can wait. So if you don't file a tax this year, you can file it next year. But I think at 2 years, it expires for. So you can file last year tax return in probably 2 years time. But I don't remember the exact time date. But if you don't file it this year, no worries, you still can file it next year, right? So yes, I did that for one of mine. I couldn't get my W2 and I already filed my taxes, and so I waited another year to file that tax and it went through, right? So yeah, but don't do that, because it'll go like it'll go be weird. So you have file, because if you change states, that would be weird. You're filing 2 different taxes in 2 different states, blah blah blah. Yeah, but I'm just telling you what is possible. And let me know if you have any other questions, any work and travel related questions. Yes, I am still here for work and travel. Where's a suit time for fly out, guys? Yes, I'll be talking about work and travel. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye. Love you guys. Do check out this week's or today's business owner and YouTube channel. I'll be posting persons who are business owners and upcoming YouTubers in the description box, so check them out and just comment and say Shaday send you. Just click them video, watch it for probably 1-2 minutes, and then comment, say Shaday send you. That's it, you know, support each other. That is what works. So yeah, bye guys, love you. Mwah, mwah.
Vassel, good morning to sunrise and welcome to sunrise.
Good morning.
And as old people that say, what a way looks sprucey this morning.
So today, Vassel, good morning to sunrise and welcome to sunrise.